In this video, I'm going to show you how to move iPhone contacts to SIM card. So by default, iPhone do not store your iPhone contacts to your SIM card, whether you use the normal SIM or you are using a SIM or your iPhone. Your iPhone contact will be saved on iCloud account and on your Gmail or on your iPhone itself. So if you want to move your iPhone contact from your iPhone to your SIM card, here's a video for you. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to move your iPhone contact from your iPhone to your SIM card, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on Contact. Once you selected Contact, scroll down here and click on Import SIM Contact. Then where do you want to import SIM contact to account, then click on my iPhone. There you go, you can see Importing SIM Contact. Again, if you come here and click on Default Account, then you see you have your Gmail as default account here and iPhone as default account here. Now, the moment you import SIM contact here and you click on my iPhone, it's going to move contact from your iPhone to your SIM. And if you want to import your contacts to your SIM on your Gmail, just select this and click on Gmail. Once it's selected, that should say Import SIM Contact. And once the contact is imported, then your iPhone contact will move to your SIM. Now, if you go to contact on your iPhone, you are still not going to see that your iPhone label anything as SIM contact here. But with the step exercise above, your iPhone will move your contact from your Gmail or your iPhone to your SIM card. So it is helpful and educative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.